Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold, I mean, we definitely made a nice push up this week. It still, to me, looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4 that needs to go up for wave 5. The thing is if this stretches out too much more, then it's not a wave 4 anymore. A wave 4 needs to be about the same time as a wave 2 took. This is becoming way bigger. So unless it goes down, bounces from like the 38% and then turns back up like this, it's probably not a wave 4. If it's not a wave 4 and we go up to the daily time frame, it's probably going to end up being a wave B. Because what I think is going to happen on the daily is I think we're going to make 3 waves up to like the 78%, and then I think we're going to go down probably to this area, someplace around $3,000 likely, 3,080, 3,100, making an ABC of Y. So we'll see what happens on the 1 hour time frame. It's looking like it's not a wave 4. It's looking like it potentially is going to end up going down much more than that. Maybe even something like this for like a wave B, and this is the wave A from that daily time frame pattern. And once we bounce from a fib level, we're potentially going to make a really nice move to the upside. Whether or not that happens today, this might potentially, the move to the upside may potentially be more of a non-farm payroll move, something that may actually happen tomorrow on Thursday. So anyways, definitely keep an eye on that 38% too, because it could just bounce from there and go up too if it really is a wave 4 and it really is a wave 5, which it definitely could still be. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.